Alrighty guys, I just wanted to hop on here and make a quick little video for you. Working on the 700 Defender here, as you can see, on the trailer. So this isn't a very in-depth job, not too much you got to do. All I did was get in here, take this, there's a module right here. This normally sits right here. Just move that bracket, move the module out of the way. You got to take the shift cable out of the way. Just unbolts from here, and there's a little bracket that goes on the case. Just a couple 8mm bolts right there. It's easiest. I didn't want to mess with the lock nut on the cable, so I used a T30 to get to that bottom bolt that goes in right here. You see it in there, right there. Just pop that out. There's another one in the top that comes off. A couple 8mm bolts there, as you can see. They all go in the case. Pops right off. Move a couple of the harnesses out of the way first, and that's pretty much it to get inside. And then this bottom gear just slides in and off very easily. The top one, you want to put it in park. Right now it's in neutral, just to give it a little bit of play to slide the gears out, but you want it in park. That nut's on there pretty tight. Unfortunately, you can't get an impact in there, at least I couldn't with the fuel tank in. So I used a long 1/2-inch ratchet with a 30mm nut, pop that off of there. Old gear slides off, new gear slides right on. Torque it down 147 foot-pounds. And that's pretty much it. Just go back together in reverse order. As you can see here, didn't even take the tire off, just got the bed propped up. Super easy, guys.